Hey, this is Rick. Welcome back to my channel, Rick Loves Maria. So, I am going to be leaving Rhoel. Surprise, I'm going to be changing to another trucking company. I turned in my notice. Why? Well, Rhoel keeps screwing up some stuff. They send me to places where they already have a loaded trailer. There's no empty to return, different stores. Sometimes they send me to places where there's no appointment. It's like the right hand doesn't know what the left hand's doing sometimes. My computer, I've been complaining about my computer for months. It takes 2 hours to boot up in the morning when I want to head back out on Sunday mornings. It says starting Windows for 2 hours. Well, I don't have 2 hours of my life to sit there and wait and watch it say starting Windows. Then they sent me up to Gary to get that fixed. And when they send me up to Gary to get that fixed, it takes a whole day out of my work. So my paycheck is, instead of $1,000 for the week, my paycheck is $700. So in fact, I pay for maintenance out of my check. Then the computer's not fixed, and I have to go on paper logs. They screwed me out of the Christmas bonus when I changed fleets from over the road to the Findlay fleet here. They didn't tell me that I was going to lose out on that, what they call surge bonus. And I had already contributed to that. I figure I probably lost about $400 or $500 there. I don't know. And then I take a week's vacation to be with Maria and Zoe. I took that. This was supposed to be my paid vacation, okay? I saved up all year for a week to take off and be with them when they arrive from the Philippines. And they screw up my check and don't give me any vacation pay on it at all. I'm expecting a check for around $1,000 and I get a check for $140. So Rhoel doesn't seem to be able to do a whole lot right for me. I've done a good job for them, I feel like. So I found somewhere else where I'm going to go. I'm going to switch to another employer. It's still driving a truck, very similar, same truck, automatic. $10,000 sign-on bonus, spread over, 11 months. That's 12 months, whatever. That's okay. Better pay. Hopefully better, some other things better too. So that's what's going on. Just thought I'd record a little video and let you know. Maria and Zoe are chilling at the house, waiting for me to get back there. I still got a couple more days out here. Alright, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.